this is Eric Sloov at the Solutions Exchange, and we're at the Veeam booth. Veeam is well known for their backup and replication software, and we're joined by Russell Nolan. Russell, how are you?
I'm very good, thanks, Eric.
So, Veeam is creating software to backup and replicate virtual machines. You're supporting different hypervisors, but the big thing at this VM World is that you have a complete new user interface.
That's correct, yes, we do. We do. So you can see it here, it's just logged in. So it'll look very familiar to anybody out there that's used our products, so they'll feel right at home with the interface straight away. But we've just given it kind of a new look and feel, so there's a slightly different color on the bar at the top, a slightly flatter look, but yeah, like I said, all of the same great features with a few additional ones besides.
Okay.
So some of the stuff we've got in here is like we have a new Explorer for Oracle, so plenty of Veeam customers are really keen on the Explorers we do because it gives them a nice streamlined way to recover application items. But today it's just Microsoft applications with version 8. So we're adding Oracle in version 9 because obviously that's a very popular database application out there with our users. So they'll go about doing it in much the same way. Just find the backup, right click on it, and then they'll be prompted to restore application items that way.
Okay. So how are the virtual machines presented? Can you show us how easy it is to create a backup of a virtual machine?
Sure, yeah. So in order to create a backup, you can do that one of two ways. You could go to the ribbon we've got along the top here, which has got some nice, clear, chunky buttons that you can use. So we could click on the button there, and then that will fire off the new backup job wizard. Alternatively, you can right-click in the white space on the right-hand side here, and this will prompt you for a number of different jobs which you could configure. Backup jobs, replication jobs, backup copy jobs if you want to get your backups into another location, that kind of thing.
Yeah. Is there also a way that you can validate if your backup succeeded?
Exactly, yeah. So we have Sure Backup, which enables you to do that. So the process just basically automates an instant VM recovery on your virtual machine. And it watches the virtual machine power on, the operating system boot, and then it will actually communicate with applications inside of that virtual machine to make sure that your recovery points are as good as we say they are.
Okay, so the applications inside the virtual machine are also quiesced, so you have a clean backup, and if you recover the virtual machine, you don't have a broken database or something.
Yeah, that's it. That's exactly right. So we interact with things like VSS from Microsoft or maybe VMware tools inside Linux VMs to enable us to talk to the applications and make sure they are really consistent. This just helps people recover quickly, if they ever need to.
Take a look at replication. What's the recovery point objective you can create when syncing machines to another location?
Yeah, so typically you're looking at RPOs of sort of 15 minutes, that kind of thing, between sites. So yeah, you can recover from an image that's just 15 minutes old in an entirely different location.
So this is a beta version. Are the bits already available for the big public?
The beta is not yet public, but if anyone out there is interested, keep your eyes on www.veam.com, and we'll be making an announcement in the coming weeks about that.
Well, Russell, many thanks for the interview and the demo, and enjoy the VM World.
My pleasure.